Hi everybody, I just wanted to come on and make a quick video about a couple of things that might help you with our hybrid instruction. So in order to add alternative hosts, please make sure that you have specialists, ESOL, your teammates, anyone that might need to start a meeting without you should be listed as an alternative host. So this may be an oldie but goodie for some, and this may be new for others. So you log in through pgcps-org.zoom.us to your PG County Public Schools Zoom account. Make sure that you're in meetings off to the left, and you want to edit one of your meetings. And while we're here, I'll just go back over something that I had made previously about changing the reoccurrences of your meeting so that you don't have to keep updating it every 90 days. So once you click on Reoccurring Meeting, for your reoccurrence, you're going to select No Fixed Time. And this means that your same link will be available until you decide. All right, so in order to add alternative hosts, you scroll all the way down, and right here it says alternative hosts. So you want to put in like the email address of different people like the admin or any of your colleagues that may need to start a meeting in your room. When you put in their name, it may not come up automatically, so you may have to copy and paste their name. So after you add the alternative hosts, you make sure that you save their name. The other thing I wanted to show you is when you are sharing your screen, you may notice that you can't see the students. And some of you may not have been able to get two screens or have help from some of your colleagues or your colleagues' husbands that were able to connect different devices for you. I know with me being on a cart, that's something that is difficult. So I want to make sure that everyone knows this little trick that I found. If you go to more, well, first let's share the screen. And once you're sharing your screen and you click on more, you'll go to hide video panel if you don't want to see the participants, like if you have someone else in the room that can help you. But up here also you would hover on your toolbar and you go to show video panel. And that means everyone that is in your meeting will appear here. And if there is more, there's usually like an arrow, I think, on the right hand side where you can advance it to the different screens. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful for adding alternative hosts to changing your reoccurring meetings and also making it so you can see your participants at the same time that you're sharing your screen. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of the week. Congratulations on a great first day of hybrid learning. And one down, 46 to go.